Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video we're making a DIY little rice heating pad for all those times where you're feeling a little extra down and you need a little pick-me-up. And this craft is so simple and easy, let's just jump right into it. That's it. That's how simple and easy this adorable little sock monkey-esque neck warmer, back warmer, tummy warmer. So stinking cute. And you can personalize these any way you want. You can pick your favorite sock. I just chose this sock because it has like some neutrals, a little pop of red. I like the sock monkey-esque look. I think that's really cute. And us ladies know we need these for about a week every month, okay? You guys know what I mean. You're picking up what I'm putting down, so this is what we need. This is the second one I've made, and it has saved my life. It's changed the game for me. I'll put a heating pad on my belly and this on my back, or vice versa, or this on my neck. I really like how it feels on my neck when it's really warm. It just like cuddles me. It's so fun and cute and saves my life. Seriously guys, this is a game changer. Just pop it in the microwave for a minute or two and you're good to go. All you gotta do, open up your sock, pour that rice in, tie up the end, or seal it however you want. You can sew it, you can tie it with a string or something, but I just chose this because this was the easiest, so I wanted to give you guys the most easy option, and pop it in the microwave. And you're good to go. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. And don't forget to check out our website to pick out your favorite sock to make your little neck warmer or a little rice pack. Thank you so much. Bye.